Here's a 2-ingredient recipe that will add amazing flavor to your everyday cooking and can be used as a beautiful gift from your kitchen. We're making chive blossom finishing salt. Our 2 ingredients, chives and coarse salt. This recipe is basically adding the chives to the salt, mixing, putting in a jar, and that's it. What's the catch? Well, you don't want to introduce moisture into the salt, so you want to make sure that your chives are dry before you add them to the salt. To do that, cut your chive blossoms either with shears or a knife to separate the heads. Then leave them out overnight to dry, or do it quickly by sandwiching between 2 pieces of paper towel and putting in the microwave for 30 seconds. Do the same for the chive greens. When they're all dry, combine them, mix them with your salt, and then make it a little finer by either using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Pour it on that plate and leave it out overnight until everything is nice and dry, and then pack it away in your jar. As you're harvesting your herbs this summer, make finishing salt. Think about all the gifts that you have to give over the year. Who would be on your list to receive a lovely trio of finishing salts? For more details and for all the recipes, check out my herb book. The perfect finishing touch.